Hey there, money movers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in financial tech to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to deposit money from Western Union to Remitly in 2025. If you're looking to transfer funds seamlessly between these two popular services, you're in the right place. This process has gotten even smoother with the 2025 updates, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up with both Western Union and Remitly. Start by logging into your Remitly app or website. It's user-friendly and secure, so if you haven't signed up yet, do that quickly. It's free and takes just a minute. Next, head over to the Add Funds or Deposit section in Remitly. Here, you'll see an option to link external services like Western Union. Select that, and follow the prompts to connect your Western Union account. You'll need to enter your Western Union login details or a transaction reference number for verification. Once linked, initiate the transfer by specifying the amount you want to deposit. Double-check the currency and recipient details to avoid any hiccups. Remitly's interface makes this super straightforward with real-time exchange rate updates. Now, go to your Western Union app or website and select the option to send money to a digital wallet or directly to Remitly. Enter the required information, like the Remitly account number or email associated with it. After confirming the transaction on Western Union, you'll get a confirmation code. Head back to Remitly and enter that code to complete the deposit. The funds should appear in your Remitly account within minutes, depending on network speeds in 2025. A quick tip: always use secure networks for these transactions to protect your info, and keep an eye on any fees involved. Western Union and Remitly might charge a small amount, so compare rates first. If you run into issues, both services have 24/7 customer support. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you'll be depositing money from Western Union to Remitly like a pro. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay savvy and see you next time.